Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use data stores in Roblox Studio. Data stores are fundamental for any game that needs to save player progress or game-specific information. They allow your game to remember things like a player's score, inventory, or even their in-game currency, ensuring that data persists even after a player leaves and rejoins. We'll cover the core concepts and practical steps to implement them effectively in your projects. To begin, you first need to enable API services in your game settings, found under the Security tab. This grants your game permission to interact with Roblox's data servers. Next, in a server script, you'll get the data store service using game get service. Data store service. From there, you create a specific data store instance by calling get data store with a unique name, like player data store, which acts as a container for your saved information. Saving and loading data involves two main functions, setAsync and getAsync. To save, you use setAsync with a unique key, often a player's user ID, and the data you want to store, usually as a table. To load, getAsync retrieves this data. It's crucial to wrap these calls in a pcall function. This protects your script from crashing if the data store operation fails, allowing you to handle errors, such as network issues, gracefully and prevent data loss. For robust data store usage, always employ pcall to handle potential failures, ensuring your game remains stable. Structure your data thoughtfully, perhaps using one comprehensive table per player, to optimize requests and stay within the generous limits, which are around 60 requests per minute per key. Remember, all data store operations should occur on the server, and never trust client-side data. Always validate information on the server to maintain game integrity and security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.